Every morning, it begins with a simple routine, one tiny product used by millions of people around the world. It looks simple, small enough to fit in the palm of your hand. Yet every smooth swipe is the result of remarkable engineering, strong enough to keep its shape, yet soft enough to glide like silk. And that's where the mystery begins, because everything you think you know about this lipstick is about to change. Take a closer look. At first glance, it looks beautifully simple, but appearances can be surprisingly deceptive. For hours, it sits inside handbags, pockets, and makeup cases, waiting. Sometimes, the temperature climbs far higher than you'd expect, yet somehow, it keeps its shape. Solid, firm, perfectly shaped, almost like a tiny sculpture. But the instant it touches your lips, everything changes. Suddenly, it becomes soft, smooth, almost creamy. How? Something inside gives it strength. Something else creates its color. Something protects it from heat. Something helps it glide. But here's the real mystery. None of them can do their job alone. So, what's really hidden inside this tiny beauty product? Let's find out. Wait, let's slow everything down, because what happens next is completely invisible to the human eye. Every lipstick hides an entire world locked beneath its surface. Behind this elegant finish lies a carefully engineered structure designed down to the smallest detail. This is what's really inside. Not one ingredient, but an entire team working together. Each one has a purpose. Each one solves a different problem. And together, they create something remarkable. Let's meet the first member of this incredible team, the ingredient that gives lipstick its strength, the architect. Meet the architect. Without this ingredient, your lipstick couldn't even stand on its own. Introducing beeswax. Meet the bodyguard. It helps the lipstick survive the heat, known in the cosmetics world as carnauba wax. Meet the smooth operator. It's the reason every swipe feels effortless. Scientists call it castor oil. Meet the artist. Without it, every lipstick would look exactly the same. This ingredient is pigments. Meet the brightener. It keeps every shade looking clean, bright, and exactly as designed. Better known as titanium dioxide. Meet the protector. Beauty isn't enough. Your lips need care too. Meet vitamin E. Meet the perfectionist. Its job is simple. Make every swipe feel silky smooth. The finishing touch is silica. And finally, the hidden signature. You may never notice it, but you'll remember it. Its subtle secret, fragrance. Alone, they're just ingredients. Together, they become something millions of people trust every day. Now you know who's inside, but a much bigger question remains. How do these 8 ingredients work together to create the perfect lipstick? Let's go inside. From the outside, it looks perfectly solid, but inside, an entire microscopic world is waiting. The waxes create a strong internal framework, like the steel frame inside a skyscraper. Everything else depends on it. Hidden inside that framework, tiny reservoirs of oil patiently wait, ready for the exact moment they're needed. Then, the moment finally arrives. The lipstick touches your lips. Your body heat doesn't melt the lipstick, it simply softens its outer structure, just enough. That tiny change releases the oils, and suddenly, the surface becomes incredibly smooth. The oils reduce friction, the lipstick glides effortlessly, and you feel silky smooth application. At the same time, millions of pigment particles spread evenly, creating rich, beautiful color. Notice something remarkable. The surface changes, but the structure stays strong. That's why the lipstick keeps its shape. No single ingredient creates the perfect lipstick. It's teamwork at a microscopic level. That's the secret. Strong enough to stay solid, soft enough to glide beautifully. But there's another layer of engineering most people never notice. The hidden design decisions that separate an ordinary lipstick from an exceptional one. Here's something most people never realize. Not all lipsticks are engineered the same. Some are designed to impress, others are designed to last. One hidden difference is something you can't even see: the size of the pigment particles. Smaller particles spread more evenly, creating a smoother finish and richer color. Another secret? Premium lipsticks are mixed with extraordinary precision, because even tiny differences can change how the lipstick feels on your lips. The best lipsticks aren't built around one miracle ingredient. They're built around balance. Every ingredient supports another, creating one perfectly engineered formula. And engineers aren't stopping here. The next generation of lipstick is already being designed. The lipstick in your handbag is already evolving. Scientists and engineers are creating formulas that are smarter, safer, and more sustainable than ever before. Imagine a lipstick designed specifically for you. Artificial intelligence can already help create shades that perfectly match your unique skin tone. Tomorrow's lipstick won't just look beautiful, it will also be kinder to the planet, with refillable designs and more sustainable ingredients. The future is exciting, but even today's lipstick holds a few surprising secrets. Let's finish with some facts you probably never knew. Here's a surprising fact. A single lipstick can contain more than 20 carefully selected ingredients, and every one of them has a specific purpose. Some of the ingredients inside your lipstick come directly from nature, including beeswax and wax harvested from Brazilian palm leaves. It may fit inside your pocket, but behind it are decades of chemistry, materials science, and cosmetic engineering. And here's one last surprise. Thousands of lipstick shades exist today, but almost every one of them is created by adjusting the same core ingredients in different proportions. Today, we uncovered the hidden world inside a lipstick. A tiny product built by chemistry, nature, and precision engineering. But one ingredient started this entire journey. A natural material, powerful enough to hold an entire lipstick together. So where does it come from? Next time, we're going inside one of nature's greatest engineers, the honeybee, to discover how bees create the wax that helps shape millions of lipsticks around the world. Until then, keep exploring Inside X. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for our next exciting content.